that doesn't matter. So let's make a connection between our movement and comprehension. Okay? So you were asked to trace someone else's cursive writing, which was foreign to you. Right? So a movement that is not particularly learned or automatic, right? We would say that type of cursive handwriting is not automatic to you. Could you give me a synopsis of that paragraph?
No.
Not a lick, right? Nothing.
Something about kinesthetic. Yeah.
You
Well, I went back and I read it after.
Right. You can probably remember a word or two, and that's about it. That is an example of a student or someone with poor fine motor skills. They have to spend so much time, so much mental capacity with the movement that we lose the comprehension. And that is something that's not visual. I mean, you can't actually see someone not comprehending anything. They can fake it very, very well. They can write out the words, you know, they can copy words onto a page, but ask them what they actually wrote, nothing. Well, how come you can't remember? You just wrote it right there. You just did it right now. And then as a teacher, you know, you get frustrated. When we did the cert in the Sioux, I actually did an example of what a teacher might do, and I actually made someone do push-ups for not remembering the what was on the page. So not only did he have not comprehended what was written, what he wrote down, but then he had to do push-ups on top of it. So right there, I've compromised my ability to ever give that guy push-ups again, to basically to do any type of comprehension work again, because he doesn't want to fail. Okay? And if you've ever experienced that type of situation.
Yeah, so when I was younger, I used to cheat during the spelling assignment too, for homework. We had to write a word. Yeah. Well, we had to write it like 10, 20 times, write a word out. Instead of writing the whole word, I did the first letter all the way down. Then go back, do the second letter.
Oh, you can't do that.
Yeah.
They tell you, like, even on your spelling in school, like when my kids get assigned their spelling homework and have to rewrite it, if you write it like that, then you can.
Yeah. So if it was like them, I would do T-H-E-M. So it wouldn't have comprehension.
Wow. So you fast. Yeah, but you got it done fast, right? And that was all. Brain capacity was here. We focused on movement. You like doing it because it was automatic, right? And something is when we perform a skill and you don't have to think about it. We like doing it. But comprehension, reading, writing, and all that is not. If the movements aren't automatic, you're not going to get the best. We're not going to get the best type of comprehension out of that. We're not going to have. We're not going to be able to make connections. We're not going to be able to have abstract thought. We're not going to be able to stand up and talk about it or teach somebody else about the topic. So, what I'd like you to do now is on the second page, use your own handwriting underneath the space underneath the writing. I'd like you to copy. Use your own handwriting.
That'd be cursive kind of print.
It doesn't matter. However you write. So right now the movement should be automatic. Copy and write underneath.